तो कौन बोलेगा लाइट कैमरा एक्शन?
We do never sir.
I'm gonna be an influencer and do this.
आपको लग रहा है हम कुछ प्रोडक्टिव कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
मेरी फोटो क्यों ले रहे हैं?
मैं अच्छी आ रही हूँ।
किधर?
अच्छा उधर देख के बात कर रहे हैं। ओके
ठीक है।
Good to go. So 2 years ago, we started Scimplify to bring an idea to bring science to simplify the whole specialty chemicals manufacturing space. We saw that there was massive potential in factories in India that we could take to a global base of customers. And the idea was to build the most trusted brand that could deliver these chemicals and manufacture them and innovate on these chemicals and deliver globally. And it's great to see how far we've come in just 2 years. Quarterly basis, we've been working with 500 customers. We've been working with customers across more than 20 countries, and we've been manufacturing more than 100 products now.
So if you look at the entire chemical industry from the top, we see that your manufacturing and the research and development piece is most critical element of the value chain. We bring a platform where all sort of manufacturing capabilities, all sort of R&D capabilities across multiple chemistry domains would come on the platform, and we can integrate entire manufacturing with the R&D setup. We wanted to create a platform where all the manufacturers can come and showcase their capabilities across compliance, across chemistries, what they can handle, and we can work with them closely to maximize their profit or by maximizing their utilization. If you look at the R&D setup also, so we started with Scimplify Center of Innovation, that is SCI for Scimplify, and we set up our first innovation center in Genome Valley, Hyderabad, and where scientists used to work day in out and work on multiple technologies, multiple processes, which we scale this, we bring these technologies to the given manufacturing capacities across India.
So we've built a tool called Atoms. It stands for Automated Tool for Optimized Manufacturing and Sourcing. What it does is actually capture the entire pulse of a plant, of a manufacturing plant. We map it across 4 C's: capacity, chemistry, compliance, and unique capabilities. So doing this, we give access to our global customers for more than 600 manufacturers that are there in India. We believe that we want to scale up the entire backbone of the chemical industry in India, which is the Indian SMEs. We believe that Scimplify is in a unique position to actually help the entire Indian ecosystem to scale up, and we believe that we can be an extremely competitive landscape as compared to China.
We are creating an innovation network of India where we are going to bring in right set of talent, all great scientists, all great institutions, whether it is private or public. So it's an innovation platform of India we are building up. The kind of team, the kind of leadership we have built in last 2 years is amazing. The idea was not only to bring industry folks. The idea was to create a DNA which is blend of generalist and industry folks, and with high entrepreneurial mindset. Those sort of mindsets are there, and we have been lucky, we've been blessed to have this kind of folks in the leadership and across the company.
Transformative.
I think it's been nothing short of fantastic, very focused on building for the long term and in the right way.
It's about team, processes, and a resilient company.
Evolving.
Where many dreams are coming true.
Great learning and productive experience in Scimplify.
I would say rocket ship. I have been there since day one and is just moving like a rocket ship.
Saras.
Banga.
It's been great.
Very cooperative.
Awesome.
Insightful. It's a wonderful experience.
It's amazing.
It's fantastic. Amazing. Knowledgeable.
Full of learnings.
Work culture.
Games and sports.
My colleague.
Foodie Fridays.
Company culture.
Ownership in work.
Work culture.
The learning opportunity.
Everything.
Foodie Fridays.
Learning new things.
Freedom to experiment.
Culture.
Flexibility and trust.
Dynamic team.
Working with a dynamic team from diverse backgrounds.
Friends.
The work culture.
It's people.
Flexible work schedules.
Celebrating small and big wins.
Usually mat band kar.
Exposure that every employee gets.
Continuous engagement activities.
Culture.
The freedom to experiment.
The kind of people we have, the smiling faces we see every day.
Team outings.
The people.
That drive to solve real problems.
The vibe over here. Friday snacks.
Atmosphere.
People and work culture.
PT and extra activities.
To become a global synonym for specialty chemical. Like Google is for web search, like Xerox is for photocopy.
It's very, very important that we build the right culture so that we attract the right kind of people into the organization.
Scimplify's tech platforms will be the foundation for the entire specialty chemical industry.
Scimplify would commercialize many of its R&D driven molecules at global scale.
I will simplify to become an alternative supply of all major chemicals in pharma and agro.
Being synonymous with a disruptive global player in specialty chemicals.
Unicorn.
An IPO. I wish that this company grows in the same way that it has been growing since last year.
Unicorn.
To be renowned as the top 10 company in the world in its specialty chemical segment.
Multinational.
Big 5, Big 4 companies.
To be a great unicorn company.
Become a global company. Grow all the best for everything.
IPO.
In the next 2 to 3 years, we will establish our presence in US, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Japan, and few other countries. We will be serving customers globally using our digital infrastructure and capitalizing on R&D capabilities and manufacturing hubs that we create across these geographies. We will truly become a global company.
First of all, I would like to sincerely thank all of our people who have partnered with us. So obviously the team at Scimplify, our investors, our manufacturing partners, and of course our customers in everything that we have worked together to achieve in these last 2 years. And here's to many more years of Scimplify.
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 Happy Sega anniversary Scimplify.
To many more years of Scimplify.
To many more years of Scimplify.
Many more years of Scimplify.
To many more years of Scimplify. To many more years of Scimplify.
Cheers to many more years of Scimplify.